Welcome to UnfollowPeek, the private, offline way to check your unfollowers. In this guide, you'll learn how to get the most out of UnfollowPeek in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Request your Instagram data. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap your information and permissions. Next, choose Download your information, then tap Download or Transfer information. Under Where do you get your information from, select the account you'd like to export data from. In How much information do you want? Choose some of your information. Scroll down to the Connections section and check Followers and Following, then tap Next. Under What do you want to do with your information? Select Download to Device. Make sure the date range is set to all time. The format is JSON and media quality is high. Enter your email address under Notify, then tap Create Files. Step 2. Download your zip file. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you'll receive an email from Instagram titled, "Your Meta information download is ready." When you do, return to the Instagram app. Go back to download your information and tap the Download button. Confirm your password and press Download. The zip file will be saved to Files, iCloud Drive, Downloads, and tap the zip file to extract it. Open the Extracted Connections folder, then find the folder named Followers and the following. Step 3. Import into UnfollowPeek. Open UnfollowPeek and tap Import. When prompted, select the entire Followers and Following folder, not individual files. When you see the message that you successfully imported the JSON files, press Save Snapshot. The app will securely process your data on your device in seconds. Step 4. View your results. Once imported, UnfollowPeek will show you detailed insights including who unfollowed you, who you follow but doesn't follow you back, new followers, removed followers, and more. All processing happens completely offline. Optional. Clean Instagram links before sharing. You can also paste any Instagram link into the link cleaner to remove hidden tracking tags. This helps protect your identity when sharing profiles or posts with others. That's it. UnfollowPeek helps you take control of your Instagram relationships with complete privacy, no login, and no compromises. Download now and see who unfollowed you, safely, securely, and on your terms.